Hello again at Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs in Richmond Hill, Ontario. Today we have Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. Customer asking for aftermarket screen. He needs screen replacement and he needed very quick. So after I removed the bottom two screws and applied like hot surface for the screen, I'm removing the screen right now. I'm lifting up the LCD slowly to replace it with a new aftermarket screen. If you have any iPhone need screen or battery, charging port, data recovery or camera replacement, you can give us a call at 416-587-7105 to book an appointment. You are very welcome to come to our store at 360 New Kirk Road in Richmond Hill, Ontario. So after we lifted up the screen, we need to remove the plate that covering the screen and all the cables, also the battery connector in the motherboard. So first of all, we always remove the battery connector. So it's more safer to touch the motherboard after you remove the battery. So we need now to remove the Face ID sensor in order to put it in new screen. So you can add a little bit alcohol 99% to soften the glue under the Face ID sensor. You have to remove it very carefully and slowly. The customer is waiting outside while I'm shooting this video. He said just do it as soon as possible. Just make sure the Face ID working and the touch working, and that's it. He said he doesn't need any sealing, anything. He just needs the phone very quickly. So I'm doing whatever he's asking. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe in the channel, and share this video with anyone interested in iPhone repair. But you have to put back this metal plate and put all the screws back. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.